Welcome to our roundup of the best 200-watt portable solar panels. Whether you're camping off-grid, powering up your RV, or preparing for emergencies, we've selected the top-rated solar panels that combine efficiency, portability, and durability. These models are built to deliver maximum power output in compact, easy-to-carry designs, perfect for both beginners and seasoned solar users. We'll explore their key features like conversion efficiency, compatibility, weather resistance, and charging speed, helping you choose the right one for your outdoor or backup energy needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Tality 200W portable solar panel. The Tality solar panel is built for those who need dependable solar power on the go. With high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, it delivers an impressive conversion rate of up to 23.5%, ensuring you get the most energy even under partial sunlight. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or using it for a backup power station, this panel's robust performance makes it a reliable energy companion. One standout feature is its foldable and lightweight design, weighing just over 15 pounds. The integrated handle and compact folding system make it easy to carry and store, perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Its durable ETFE surface coating enhances light transmittance and protects against scratches, dust, and water, ensuring a long service life even in challenging weather. Overall, the Tality 200W portable solar panel combines premium efficiency, user-friendly portability, and rugged durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a trustworthy solar solution for outdoor adventures or emergency power needs. Next up is the ETFE 200W foldable solar panel. This panel is designed for those who prioritize efficiency and longevity. Equipped with ETFE laminated coating, it provides exceptional heat resistance, anti-reflective transparency, and self-cleaning ability, outperforming traditional PET materials. This means the panel not only lasts longer, but also maintains higher energy output over time. Its high-conversion monocrystalline cells reach up to 24% efficiency, ensuring optimal performance in low-light or cloudy conditions. Whether you're charging your portable power station during a road trip or powering up your camping setup, this panel delivers consistent results. Another highlight is its easy setup and portability. The panel folds neatly into a suitcase-style carrying bag with reinforced handles, making transportation effortless. Overall, the ETFE 200W foldable solar panel offers excellent energy efficiency, superior material strength, and an easy-to-carry design. Ideal for campers, RV owners, and anyone looking for a long-lasting portable power source. Next, we have the Dokyo 18V 100W flexible solar panel. While slightly smaller in wattage, this Dokyo model is designed for versatility and portability. Its ultra-thin flexible design allows it to bend up to 30 degrees, making it ideal for curved surfaces such as RV roofs, boats, or tents. Weighing just under 5 pounds, it's easy to mount, transport, and store, which sets it apart from traditional rigid panels. The high-efficiency solar cells deliver a solid power output even in lower sunlight, ensuring reliable charging for 12-volt systems and portable generators. The panel is also built with a durable PET polymer layer, offering protection against water splashes, dust, and scratches. Its plug-and-play functionality makes it beginner-friendly. Simply connect the included MC4 cables, and you're ready to charge your devices or power station. Users appreciate how quickly it sets up and how efficiently it performs for small to medium-sized energy needs. Overall, it's a smart and affordable choice for users who value convenience, portability, and solid performance in a compact design. Next, we have the Renogy 200W portable solar panel. Renogy is one of the most trusted names in solar technology, and this panel shows why. Featuring advanced monocrystalline solar cells, it offers a high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, ensuring you get maximum output even under cloudy skies. With a plug-and-play Anderson connector system, it's compatible with most solar generators and batteries. This panel comes as a foldable suitcase kit, complete with a built-in charge controller that protects against overcharging, short circuits, and reverse polarity. The durable aluminum frame and tempered glass surface make it rugged enough for long-term outdoor use while remaining easy to set up and fold away. Overall, the Renogy 200W portable solar panel is an excellent choice for those who value brand reliability, powerful energy output, and a robust, all-in-one portable setup. The last one on our list is the Alpower's Balcony Power Plant 200W solar panel. This innovative solar panel system is perfect for both outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners looking to cut electricity costs. It uses high-performance monocrystalline cells to achieve up to 22% efficiency, providing strong output in various lighting conditions. What makes it stand out is its smart plug-and-play inverter system, which allows direct connection to home sockets, feeding solar energy into your household grid. This means you can reduce your utility bills while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. The IP67 waterproof construction and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame ensure it can handle harsh weather. Overall, the Alpower's Balcony Power Plant 200W solar panel delivers the perfect combination of portability, innovation, and power efficiency, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious users who want flexible solar energy solutions. So, there you have it, the best 200-watt portable solar panels available right now. If you found this guide helpful, hit like and subscribe for more product roundups. Thanks for watching and stay powered up.